TOEIC Listening Practice. Listening Part 3. Set 34. Part 3. Directions. You will hear some conversations between two or more people. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speakers say in each conversation. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The conversations will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Questions 1 through 3 refer to the following conversation.
Hi Sarah, thanks for meeting me. I'm dealing with a guest in room 305, Mr. Henderson. He's claiming the room wasn't cleaned properly and is demanding a full refund.
Right, I've seen the notes, but housekeeping confirmed the room was serviced. Is there any actual evidence of a lapse?
He hasn't provided any photos, and my staff who checked him in said he seemed difficult from the start. Our policy states a refund is only possible if the issue is reported within the first hour and confirmed by a manager.
And he reported it this morning on his checkout day?
Exactly. Technically, he's not eligible. However, he's been very vocal in the lobby and threatened to post a very damaging review online. I'm thinking a gesture of goodwill, maybe a 20% discount, could prevent that.
I see your point. A bad review can be more costly. All right, you can offer the discount, but make it clear it's a one-time exception.
Thank you. I'll go and speak with him now. I appreciate your support on this.
Number 1. Who most likely is Sarah? Number 2. Why is the guest technically not entitled to a refund? Number 3. What will the British woman most likely do next? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 1. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 2. The correct answer is A. Finally, for number 3. The correct answer is D. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 4 through 6 refer to the following conversation.
Excuse me, I believe there's been a mistake with my order. I asked for the steak frites, but this looks like the salmon.
Oh, I am so sorry about that, sir. Let me get that sorted out for you immediately. The kitchen must have had a mix-up.
I'd appreciate that. My friend is already halfway through his meal.
Of course, I'll have them prioritize your correct order. And to apologize for the wait, please let us offer you a complimentary dessert. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
That's very kind, thank you. No need for a menu. I'll just have a coffee for now if that's all right.
Absolutely. 1 coffee, coming right up, and your steak frites will be out in just a few minutes.
Thanks for handling this so quickly.
Number 4. What is the main topic of the conversation? Number 5. What does the manager offer the man? Number 6. Look at the graphic. What will the kitchen prepare for the man? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 4. The correct answer is C. Next, let's look at number 5. The correct answer is D. Finally, for number 6. The correct answer is B. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 7 through 9 refer to the following conversation.
Morning, Linda. Just wanted to confirm the schedule for the lighting fixture replacements.
Good morning, David. Yes, let's finalize it. We need to get it done this week while things are relatively quiet.
Exactly. I was looking at room 101. The projector there is also flickering. We could fix that at the same time.
Oh, good catch. That's a recurring problem. Is it a complicated fix?
No, it just needs a new bulb, which we have in stock. It will add maybe 30 minutes to the job.
Perfect. So we're planning to do all the maintenance in one go. That's efficient.
That's the plan. I see room 101 is busy on Monday and Tuesday.
That's right. And we have an orientation in room 102 on Wednesday.
So for room 101, Wednesday would be the ideal day to do the work, since it's free all day.
Yes. Wednesday for room 101 sounds perfect. Let's book your team for then. And what about room 102?
We can do room 102 on Monday or Tuesday. Let's say Tuesday.
Excellent. I'll update the master schedule.
Number 7. What are the speakers mainly discussing? Number 8. What is the proposed solution for the flickering projector? Number 9. Look at the graphic. On which day will the work in room 101 be performed? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 7. The correct answer is C. Next, let's look at number 8. The correct answer is A. Finally, for number 9. The correct answer is D. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 10 through 12 refer to the following conversation.
All right, team, let's discuss Mr. Carter's case. He was discharged last Tuesday, the 10th.
Yes, Dr. Evans. His recovery is on track, but he needs a follow-up appointment for a checkup and to review his medication.
I agree. I'd like to see him in about 2 weeks from his discharge date. That would be around the 24th.
Dr. Evans, I'm looking at your schedule for the week of the 24th. You're fully booked on Monday the 24th and Tuesday the 25th.
Ah, right. The medical conference. What about Wednesday the 26th?
You have an opening at 11 a.m. on the 26th.
That should work. I'll need to call Mr. Carter to see if that time is suitable for him.
Please do. If that doesn't work, see if he can do Thursday morning.
You're free on Thursday the 27th until noon.
Okay, so Wednesday at 11 a.m. is the primary option with Thursday morning as a backup.
Exactly. The main issue is that his current prescription runs out on the 28th, so we must see him before then to authorize a refill.
Understood. It's critical we get him in. I'll stress the importance of the date when I call him.
Thank you, Nurse Jones. Susan, please pencil in Mr. Carter for that 11 a.m. slot on Wednesday, and we'll confirm once we hear back.
Will do.
Number 10. What is the main purpose of the meeting? Number 11. Why is it important for the appointment to be scheduled soon? Number 12. What will Nurse Jones do next? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 10. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 11. The correct answer is A. Finally, for number 12, the correct answer is C. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 13 through 15 refer to the following conversation.
Okay, Mark. Let's start with the marketing department's inventory. I've got the list here.
Right, so according to the system, they should have 15 laptops, model number ZT5000.
Let's count. 1, 2, I'm only counting 13 here on the desks.
13. That's not right. Are any in for repair?
Let me check the repair log. No, nothing from marketing is currently with IT support.
Maybe the 2 new hires who started last week have them? Did they get set up?
Ah, you're right. Jane and Peter. They work remotely most of the time. That would explain the 2 missing laptops.
Okay, that makes sense. We need to make sure their asset tags are recorded correctly in the system.
Could you handle that? I don't have access to update the main asset database.
Of course, I'll just need the serial numbers from their machines. I can email them to ask for the numbers.
Great. Now, what about the monitors? The list says 20 units.
They all seem to be here, but wait, 5 of them are the older 21-inch model. I thought we replaced all of them with the 24-inch ones last quarter.
We were supposed to. Looks like that part of the upgrade was missed. We'll need to order 5 more of the new monitors.
I'll add it to the procurement request list.
Number 13. What are the speakers doing? Number 14. What does the woman ask Mark to do? Number 15. Why are 2 laptops not in the office? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 13. The correct answer is C. Next, let's look at number 14. The correct answer is B. Finally, for number 15, the correct answer is D. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 16 through 18 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, I'd like to send this package using your standard service, please.
Certainly, sir. Let me just weigh that for you. It looks like your package is 22 kilograms.
Oh, is that a problem? I thought the limit was higher.
Unfortunately, our standard service has a maximum weight of 20 kilograms, so this is just a little over.
I see. So what are my options? I needed to get there this week.
Well, you could either remove some items to get the weight down, or we could send it using our economy service. It has a higher weight limit and will still arrive within 3 to 5 business days.
The delivery time for economy is fine. Let's go with that option then. It's too much hassle to repack it here.
No problem. I'll just process that for you now.
Number 16. Where most likely are the speakers? Number 17. What is the problem with the man's package? Number 18. Look at the graphic. Which service will the man use? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 16. The correct answer is A. Next, let's look at number 17. The correct answer is C. Finally, for number 18, the correct answer is A. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 19 through 21 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, James. I need to talk to you about shipment 745 for the Apex Corporation. There's been a delay at the port.
Oh no, what's the new estimated time of arrival? The client was expecting it on May 15th.
The Port Authority is saying it will be held for at least another 48 hours for a customs inspection. That pushes our delivery to them to May 17th at the earliest.
2 days late. That's not good. Apex has a strict penalty clause in their contract for any delays beyond 24 hours.
I know. The penalty is a 5% reduction in our fee. But since this is a customs issue, it might be considered force majeure. We need to check the contract's wording.
Good point. I'll pull up the contract. In the meantime, we need to inform the client. Do you want to call them, or shall I?
I'll handle the call to our main contact, Sarah. I'll explain the situation and that we're reviewing the contract regarding the delay.
Sounds good. Let me know what she says. I'll get that contract for you right now.
Number 19. What is the main topic of the conversation? Number 20. When does a penalty apply according to the contract? Number 21. What will the woman do next? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 19. The correct answer is D. Next, let's look at number 20. The correct answer is B. Finally, for number 21, the correct answer is D. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 22 through 24 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, Helen. Hi, Tom. Thanks for meeting. I wanted to debrief on the project management training you ran last week, Tom.
Of course, Maria. I've compiled the feedback forms. Overall, the scores were very positive.
That's great to hear. I've heard good things from my team members who attended.
My team also found it useful. However, one common piece of feedback was about the session length. Many felt that trying to cover all 5 modules in a single day was too much.
I did notice that. We were rushed towards the end. Some people suggested splitting it into 2 half-day sessions.
That's a sensible idea. It gives people time to digest the information. As a department head, I'd support that change for future sessions.
I agree. Tom, would it be possible to restructure the course material for a 2-day format?
Absolutely. I can easily split modules 1 to 3 for the first day and 4 and 5 for the second. It would actually improve the flow.
Fantastic. It seems we all think this is a good path forward.
So for the next quarter's training, let's schedule it over 2 mornings, say a Tuesday and Wednesday.
Sounds like a plan. I'll update the training proposal and send it over to you both for final approval.
Number 22. Who is Helen? Number 23. What change was suggested in the feedback? Number 24. What does Tom think about splitting the session? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 22. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 23. The correct answer is C. Finally, for number 24, the correct answer is A. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 25 through 27 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, I'm Mike from the assembly line. I need to schedule our annual safety equipment inspection.
Of course, Mike. I'm Paul, the safety officer. Let's get that sorted. Which area needs the inspection?
It's for the entire assembly area B.
Right, that's a major inspection. It requires one of our lead inspectors.
Okay, when is a lead inspector available? We need to do it next week.
Let me pull up the schedule. Our only lead inspector is John. Looking at next week, he's available Monday morning and Friday morning.
We have a major production run on Monday, so that won't work. Friday morning is perfect for us, though. The line is down for maintenance then anyway.
Excellent. I'll book John for Friday morning for Assembly Area B. Just to confirm, another inspector, Maria, is also free on Friday morning. Would you like me to assign her as well to speed things up?
Oh, is she? Yes, please. Having 2 inspectors would be a great help.
Consider it done. I'm booking both John and Maria for Friday morning. You'll receive an automated confirmation email shortly.
Perfect. Thanks for your help, Paul.
Number 25. What is the main purpose of Mike's visit? Number 26. Look at the graphic. In addition to John, who will conduct the inspection, Number 27. What will Paul do next? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 25. The correct answer is D. Next, let's look at number 26. The correct answer is C. Finally, for number 27. The correct answer is A. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Questions 28 through 30 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, Bill. It's Sarah from Logistics. I've got an urgent problem. Did shipment 9021 just leave your warehouse?
Sarah, hi. Yes, the truck for a company called Tech Solutions left about 15 minutes ago. Why?
That's the one. There's been a mistake. We were supposed to include a box of high-value processors in that shipment, but it was left off the pallet.
Are you serious? The client needs that entire order for a system installation this Friday.
I know. This is critical. They specifically said the entire order must arrive together. We can't send it separately.
Okay, don't panic. The truck's first stop is only 30 minutes away. I can call the driver, Ken, and have him return to the warehouse immediately.
You can do that? That would be a lifesaver. The box of processors is on Dock 5, ready to go.
I'm on it. While I call Ken, can you get someone to bring that box from Dock 5 to the main loading bay, Bay 1?
Yes, absolutely. I'll have my assistant David do it right now. He'll meet the truck there.
Perfect. This should only delay the shipment by about an hour. I'll call Ken now.
Thanks, Bill. You've really saved us here.
Number 28. What is the main problem the speakers are discussing? Number 29. What did Tech Solutions specify about the order? Number 30. What will David be asked to do? All right, now let's review the answers. Let's start with number 28. The correct answer is B. Next, let's look at number 29. The correct answer is D. Finally, for number 30, the correct answer is C. That's the end of the listening test. Great job, and thanks for doing your best today.